Kigunyu kia ngunga gikoretwo gikinyanira arimi kwa hinda na thirikari ni iratarania uria igikinina kaimana tondu ona kuri na guoya ati magetha ma mbembe ni mekunyihana gicunji kia 50 harĩ 100 mwaka uyu. Na riu minista wa urimi Mwangi wa Kiunjuri augite ministry yake ni irabatara makiria ma ciringi mirioni magana mana kuhurana na igunyu ici.
We require to start with allowed 400 million to start. But we shall progress because we are not using the money at once. So progressively, we will be able to attain that. It's just an estimation that it might go to even to a billion.
Kiunjuri augite ni agwitia gikaro na magavana kuma kaunti 10 irigomagirwo ni thina uyu nigo macokaniririe meciria na gwetha njira cia kunina thina uyu kaimana.
On Monday, we are meeting governors from high yielding areas on Monday, so that we can put strategy into place on how to fight the fall armyworm.
Ministry ya urimi ni irahoya thirikari cia kaunti ici kunyita itemi mihango-ini ya kung'ethania na thina uyu makiria kuruta kigina kuona mbeca nyingi ni irabatarania.
We support you as a committee of agriculture, but we are asking our governors to be able to come up with whatever they have. Hata kama ni milioni 2, hata kama ni milioni 30, we know that we have to work this as a joint venture.
Kigunyu giki kia ngunga githarikagira mbembe ire nini na kingiaga kung'ethanirwa nakio arimi no meguthie na mbere na gutara hathara. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV njitagwo Wanjiru wa Goco.